Want to earn over $100,000 as an AI engineer? You can, no degree required. Here's your complete roadmap. Step 1. Spend 3 months mastering Python. Use free resources, practice daily. Step 2. Learn the math essentials, linear algebra, calculus basics, statistics. Khan Academy and YouTube are your friends. Step 3. Dive into machine learning. Take Andrew Ng's Coursera course, build 3 projects and post them on GitHub. Step 4. Master deep learning. Learn PyTorch or TensorFlow. Take Fast.ai courses, build chatbots, image classifiers. Step 5. Choose a specialization and dive deep. Computer vision, NLP, or recommendation systems. Become an expert. Build your portfolio. 5 projects, share blogs, contribute to open source, and apply everywhere. 18 months, all free. Google and Tesla hire. Salaries up to $120,000. Today's action plan: install Python, start Codecademy, and code for 30 minutes, and in 18 months you'll be an AI engineer. Which step are you on? Comment below. Subscribe for more AI tips. Start coding today.